The moon was supposed to rise silver and whole, but instead it began to bleed. In the warm night air of ancient Babylon, the city held its breath. Priests paused mid-chant. Watchmen leaned over the walls. Above them, the full moon slowly dimmed, its bright face darkening as if swallowed by an unseen force. For generations, eclipses had meant terror, omens of kings falling, gods turning away. But on this night in 721 BCE, something unprecedented happened. Someone chose not to pray. They chose to write. By the light of oil lamps, Babylonian astronomers climbed the temple towers, clay tablets pressed against their knees. These were not mystics waiting for signs. They were observers, counters of time, keepers of patterns. As the shadow crept across the moon, they marked the hour, the direction, the exact moment the darkness began. The city murmured below them, fear rippling through the streets. Dogs barked, drums sounded in distant courtyards. But up on the ziggurat, there was only focus. Stylus met clay. Lines were etched, numbers were carved. The sky was no longer just a message, it was data. Here was the revelation. This eclipse had been expected. For decades, Babylonian scholars had tracked the heavens night after night, generation after generation. They noticed cycles, subtle repetitions in the moon's behavior, patterns hidden inside chaos. And now, as Earth's shadow swallowed the moon whole, their quiet confidence was vindicated. This was not divine anger. It was celestial order. As totality arrived, the moon turned a deep, haunting red. Gasps echoed across the city. But the astronomers kept writing. How long the darkness lasted, when the light returned. Every detail preserved in clay, records meant to outlast fear, kings, even empires. This moment marked a turning point in human thought. For the first time, a lunar eclipse was recorded precisely, not as myth, but as measurement. Time itself was pinned down. The universe had rules, and humans had proven they could learn them. When the moon finally emerged, whole once more, Babylon exhaled. Life resumed. But something irreversible had changed. The sky was no longer unknowable. It was readable. Those clay tablets survived long after the city fell. And thousands of years later, they still whisper the same message. Curiosity is stronger than fear. If this story lit something in you, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below with the moment in history that amazes you most, and help this channel continue uncovering the hidden stories written in the stars.